Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Escape's Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely running and in park. Next, power on your smartphone and navigate to its settings to activate Bluetooth. It's important that your phone's Bluetooth menu remains open, making it discoverable to your vehicle. Then, locate and access the sync system on your Ford Escape's display. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing process. Now let's begin the pairing. On your Ford Escape sync screen, press the phone button or tap Add Device. Your sync system will then instruct you to search for it on your phone. On your smartphone, look for sync in the Bluetooth device list and select it. After a moment, a 6-digit personal identification number, or PIN, will display on both your phone and the vehicle's screen. To finalize the connection, carefully compare the 6-digit PIN shown on your phone with the one on your Ford Escape sync screen. If they match, confirm the pairing on your phone and then select Yes on the vehicle's display. You may receive additional prompts asking to download your contacts or set this as your primary phone. Accept these to enable full functionality. Your phone is now successfully connected, ready for hands-free use. Should you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and your Ford Escape sync system often resolves connection problems. It's also helpful to delete any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the vehicle, as some systems have a limit of 5 or 6 stored devices. Always ensure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable. Remember, once connected, you can use voice commands for safer, hands-free calls and media control while on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.